and welcome back to Hip Hip Hooray! So, today, another branch of math, which we call volume. Volume is a 3D space occupied by 3D objects, and that space is where the object occupies. Well, there are certain formulas how to get the volume, but first we're going to be talking about what is 3D figures. Let's back up a bit to one dimension. 1 meter, that is a line which we call a one-dimensional figure or object. Next, now, if we want to turn this line into a 2D object, we must extend all points perpendicular 1 meter above. Now we have a height and a length. We form a square, which is a 2D object, and it has a space occupied, which we call area. Now, to get 3D objects, we must move all of the points again by 1 meter to get a 3D object, which we call a cube. Now, the space occupied by the cube is what we call the volume. And that's where we will start now.
Hi, Ate. Can I ask you something?
Sure.
How do you get this kind of thing?
By finding its volume.
Volume? It's kind of familiar with me. You know it? Then explain it. Shut up, Mom.
You guys are so sweet. But my friend Alex will explain it to you.
Huh? Me? Are you sure about it?
Yes, remember? You helped me to do it.
Yeah, fine. For just 2 little minutes. For example, radius is equal to 6 feet and the height is equal to 8 feet. The formula is pi r squared times height, and to substitute the given, pi times 6 feet squared times 8 feet. You multiply 6 to itself, so the answer will be 36. And times the height, that is 8 feet, the answer will be 288 pi cubic feet.
This, a water tank has a radius of 3 feet and a height of 4 feet. What is the total volume of this water tank? So, we all know that a water tank is a cylindrical object, and cylindrical objects have a certain formula to get the volume. So, the formula for this is pi times radius squared times height. So, the given height is 4 feet and the given radius is 3 feet. So, we multiply this by pi. Pi times 3 feet squared plus 4 feet as the height. So, we multiply first 3 by itself because we're gonna get the square. So, 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Now, to get the volume, 36 times 5 will be the right answer.
May I have your attention, please? There has been a burst in the water tank in our village.
I suggest we call for an engineer.
I suggested Engineer Ogaki. I think he's busy right now. I think we should call Engineer Santos. But she's currently working on a project right now.
How about Engineer Biles? Do you agree?
Yes, definitely.
That's a great idea. Hello, Engineer Nick.
Oh yes, Engineer Biles speaking. How can I help you? Is there something wrong?
Yes, Engineer Biles. There was a water leak from the tank. It is very urgent because it supplies the whole village. Without it, the village and my business will be affected. So, I need you to fix it. Can you do it? It will be a really big help.
Yes, I will try my best to help you in your community.
Thank you. If you accomplish this, it will be a very great help. And another thing, don't mind the people. They're just being paranoid.
About what?
Hello? Sir, are you still there? That's a little bit weird. The call is still up, but he seems to not be replying.
Nick is a corporate engineer. He works like a fire that never gets tired. He works at a well-known agency named Curious Triangle. One day, he was summoned by his boss, called to fix something, but he doesn't have any clue what.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat. I'll send you off to your destination now. You wanted to help me, right? There might be some obstacles that you might have to go through, but I'm sure you'll be fine.
Alright, I will try my best, sir. Sir, I already finished the tank, sir.
Thank you, Engineer Nick. Without your help, this could not happen.
You're welcome, sir.
I'm so tired. Oh, wait. Did we fix the water tank correctly? Oh no, I forgot the formula.